Well, could it possibly be the end of the Wandering Weight Watcher? Hi guys, it is Thursday, April 15th. What would normally be a tax day, but it's not now. Before I get into what I want to talk to you tonight about the Wandering Weight Watcher, let me go ahead and show you what I've eaten today on the Blue Plan. Well, on this cold winter-like day in spring, I am having a bowl of pumpkin oatmeal. This is 40 grams of dry oats for 4 points. My pumpkin is 127 grams. It's just my home canned pumpkin. That is 0 points. There's 120 milliliters of the silk unsweetened almond milk for 0 points. My banana is 126 points. I do have some pumpkin pie spice in there that I stirred in there. So my bowl of cereal is 4 points, and of course 1 point in my cup of coffee with 50 milliliters of fat-free half and half. 25 in each cup that I have. So I have a 5-point breakfast. So I'm having breakfast for lunch. This is 1 egg and 2 egg whites, 0 points on the Blue Plan. Inside I have some peppers and onions, and those jalapenos smell really hot. Still 0 points. My blueberries and strawberries, let's see, there's how many 64 grams of blueberries, 76 grams of strawberries, all 0 points. Thomas Light English muffin that I trimmed to 52 grams for 2 points. 25 grams of avocado split between those two halves for 1 point. Those are the only points on my plate at 3 points. So I have a 3-point lunch, and that takes me to 8 points for the day so far. For a snack that I'm having before dinner, I have one of the Cosmic Crisp apples. 215 grams on that for 0 points. I have Crazy Richard's 100% peanut butter, 32 grams of that for 6 points. So I have a 6-point snack. Okay, well, for dinner tonight, I just threw something together here. This is chicken, excuse me, 85 grams of chicken breast, 14 grams of jalapeno, 17 grams of onion. That's all 0 points. 1 slice of Velveeta for 1 point, and then 23 grams of avocado for 1 point. And then we've got a 2 white corn tortillas for 3 points. So I have a total of 5 points for dinner. Okay, I ended the day with 18 points. I had 1,261.3 calories today. I burned off 1772 so far, so I have a deficit of 510.7 calories today so far. That's right where I want to be, so I'm glad about that. So that dinner was delicious, by the way. Even though I just threw that together at the last minute, it was delicious. So, the Wandering Weight Watcher. I found out today through just by happenstance that the name The Wandering Weight Watcher has been claimed by some kind woman over in England. She doesn't know me, I don't know her, but when I was doing a search today for The Wandering Weight Watcher, her name came up, and I think she's had it longer than me. She has a Facebook page by that name. I couldn't see that she's actually wandering, like in the sense that I was, but fact remains that I can't keep that name. So, I mean, in good conscience. She's never contacted me saying, hey, you can't use this because I'm already using it. I can't in good conscience continue to use that name for my travel vlogs. So, I'm asking for your help. Instead of The Wandering Weight Watcher, what would be another good name? I will tell you some of the names that I've gotten so far is Wanderlust Weight Watcher, or Weight Watcher Wanderlust, WW on the Move, Travel, Trekking and Trekking, Discover, Eat, Lose, Wandering WW with Sue, Sue Travels and Tracks. Those are some of the name suggestions that I've gotten so far. So I'm asking you, my loyal viewers, what you think would be a good name. And I'm going to give you, a few days, and then I will make a decision. So if you can comment below what you would think a good name is, that would be great. Now, you'll notice the title of one of my frames in here was Channel Changes Coming. And I told you yesterday there were going to be some channel changes coming here. So, no, I'm not quitting Weight Watchers. I am absolutely not going to stop doing that. However, the focus of my channel is going to change just slightly. And that's one of the reasons why I'm so interested in your suggestions for my Wandering Weight Watchers series. So my channel, I'm still going to show you what I'm eating every day. I'm going to focus a little bit more on when I'm traveling, what I'm eating, and how I'm preparing the food while I'm traveling. How you could enjoy traveling and still lose weight. I know that, especially with summer coming up, that is probably a really good thing to get into right now. I'm going to show you the places that I'm visiting. I've been doing that, taking you along on my hikes. I'll show you the food that I'm eating along the way. Basically how to prepare Weight Watcher friendly food while I'm out on the road. So that's kind of where my focus is circling to. Now, the weather turned cold again, so I had planned a hike this weekend. I think actually I'm going to go on Monday instead of Sunday, because Monday is going to be, I think, the warmest day in the next couple days. So, and also I've asked on my Facebook page, I've asked for suggestions or places you would like to see me go. I've got some really good answers so far. To Quantum Falls up in Michigan was one of them. I've been there, but it's been several years. I'd like to go back because they have some phenomenal hiking trails up there. Some places over in Indiana. One subscriber asked, said, I don't know how far you want to go. And actually, as long as it's in the lower 48, I can go. So please continue to comment on that. Where would you like to see me take my Weight Watcher travels? And if you have a specific place, where would you like to see me eat? Or what is there to do around that area? So please let me know. I'm starting to plan on my calendar my different travels. So that's the big change coming up in my channel. Like I said, it's going to be more of a focus of, okay, I'm traveling. What are we eating? How are we eating? When are we eating? Where are we eating? That type of thing. So don't forget, I need your suggestions of a good name for my travel vlog. And since the Wandering Weight Watcher, which I really loved, is already taken, darn it. So, all right, well, that's going to wrap it up for me tonight. I'm not quite sure how long this video is, but that's the other thing too. I'm going to try to make more interesting videos while I'm showing you where I'm traveling. I told you yesterday I got a new camera. They're sending me a new one, which should be here on Sunday. So that's great for my my hike on Monday. So, and hopefully I'll have my selfie stick that I can use by then, and show you a little bit more of me on the trail. So, all right. So that's it for tonight. There'll be more coming as I start to travel, but for the next couple days, it's still good old-fashioned me in showing you what I'm eating on the Blue Plan. Tomorrow is weigh-in day. I will be doing a weigh-in video, so watch for that tomorrow at some point. You guys have a great night, and I will see you on Friday. Bye-bye.